Jai Hind, gentlemen. Today I, Ket Sakma, am here to give a lecture on the topic disaster management. My dear friends, the disaster management in recent times brought a new hope to the large section of society which are prone to the disasters like earthquake, flood, cyclones. So, with the new hope, disaster management teams are working and providing relief, happiness to the people at the time of distress. So, first of all, we'll talk about the disaster. The disasters are the disastrous, which brought unhappiness, destruction, grief, pain everywhere. Disaster includes earthquakes, devastating earthquakes, deadly cyclones, and the floods. Our India, at the geologically, is at the place where these disasters are prone to the major parts of our country. In the coastal areas of our nation, they are the prone to the floods, cyclones, and in the parts like Delhi, Bihar regions, they are the prone to earthquakes. So we, all the people, should be working so that we can provide relief at the earliest states. Number of disaster relief teams and NDRF, National Disaster Relief Teams, has been made and to tackle these problems. But not only these teams, but at the time of disaster, our armed forces are also coming, joining hands to help the needy. So these are the very important aspects in the favor of humanity. My dear friends, disasters can be can be disasters are mostly very deadly, but disasters can't be prevented at the major level. But the advancement in the technological fields, we are able to predict the causes, predict the causes, time and tenure of the disasters, and also able to work upon that. In 2020, our country was hit by cyclone Nisarg at the various parts, and due to the yearly warning system within our nation, and with the collaboration of other nation, we were able to predict the causes, duration, and the speed of the cyclone, and we were able to evacuate our people and save many lives. So early prediction and the weather control systems are very efficient in our nation, and because of that many lives has been saved. In earlier time, number of earthquakes, floods, flood at the Kedarnath is not forgotten by any people, and the many such things. But we should at the individual level we should prepare ourselves to fight against that. For the earthquake like situation, first of all, it is advised to all the citizens. These are also taught in our schools, that how to be prevented, and this I appreciate the government initiative to make aware at the earliest stage in the schools the prevention methods of these devastated things. When I was in the schools, I was also taught that how to be prevented from these devastated disasters. For the earthquakes, if we are in the homes and we found that the fans are shaking, we should come out of our house and at the open places. But sometimes it is also advised that if we are at the topmost floors and not able to come out uh, early, then we should take hold of some strong things at home only, like under the beds, under the tables, which are strong, so that we can maximum save our body. So these are the small things uh, which can mm, provide help to the people who at the time of distress find nothing, but they can use their brain and save their lives. Similar to that disasters, similar to that flood like situation and other. If in a flood like situation we can't come out of our home, then we should have to go to the top positions. And if we are able to do that, if we are early if we used to get early information about the flood and all, then uh, um, we should go to the that we should go to some altitude, some higher altitude, so that we can save ourselves from the floods. So these are the small things which are rarely taught in our schools, so that we can uh, get ourselves prevented from disasters. And it has also advised by the government that whenever we are making building, we should make our building earthquake prone, and we should make it stronger, so that in the time of a disaster we feel safe and have faith on our house. At last, but at last, if disasters are really not be at last, I want to say that disasters are not in our control, but we can at that time we can help for the sake of humanity. We'll help the people whatever what with uh, whatever potential we have. These are the very important things, and we should have a open hands for the people who are in the distress and make them comfortable. So that's all for the disaster management. And I say that I want to say that people people should not see their mm, uh, people should not be against constrained in their narrowness. They should help the people with a broader thinking, broader thinking, broaden thinking. That's all. Thank you.